So this is the content and we will format that. Okay.
Yes.
You can see on the screen.
Yes.
So this is the content and we need to make this content like this one. Okay. In this style. So first what we will do, we can see there is some background color, right? So we will select this one and we can click on the option inside font group. The option name is clear all formatting. You can see clear all
Yes.
formatting. We
Yes.
will use this option when we want to clear the previous style in my document.
All formatting, sir.
Yeah, clear all formatting.
All formatting.
Yes, this
Take
option
all
name is clear all formatting. It will remove all formatting from the selection, leaving only the normal text in your document. Okay. Now resume I want in center. Okay. In preview, I can see that resume is in center. Then what I will be do? First, I will be come here and after resume, I will be click here and I will be put enter like that, right? To shift my content in next line. Now, this is the word. I will select this one. And if I want to put this in center, then I have 4 type of alignment. Okay. After select my text, if I will be go with the center alignment, then it will be put my text in center, right?
Yes.
If I want to shift my selected text in right side, then I will be use my center right alignment. This is my right alignment. So let's use this. Select, then center alignment, then right alignment, then left alignment. Okay. So whenever you need to shift your text, then you will use what? What you will use? You will use these alignments. Okay.
Yes.
You got it?
Yes.
Okay. And if you don't need to put in center, but you want to shift slowly from left to right or right to left, then which option you will use? Then you will use indent. These are to indent.
Yes.
Increase indent and decrease indent. Move your text or move your paragraph to right to left. Okay.
Right to left.
So how I will do that? Select and then I will click here like that.
Yes.
When I will use this option, when I don't want,
Option network. Option.
when I will use this option, I will use this option when I want to shift my selected text according to my need.
My parent.
Okay. This option I will use when I want to shift my selected text as per my requirement. You got it?
Yes.
If somewhere if you are not understand, then tell me please. Okay. I will try to explain it again.
Yes.
Don't worry. Okay, so where I want this as per my need, I want this inside.
Yes.
Where I want this, I want this in center.
Center.
So which one? Center alignment. Okay, so I just
Center
click
alignment.
here. Then I want this bold. Then where is the option to bold? Is this
In what, sir? Bold.
bold?
Yes, sir.
So this is the option to bold my selected text.
Yes, sir.
Okay. How to increase the size of this?
Sir, yes, sir.
From here,
Yes, sir. Font size.
font size. Very good. So I can come in the document, I can click here, I can see the size. Size is 11, okay, in the previous one. So here I just put 14. Okay, so I can make the greater as well. Okay, select and from where I want the underline. This is the option for underline.
Yes.
Okay, so this I have done. Now come to your document and now I need to make this 3 line. Okay, this one. So how I will do that one? I will become here Mukesh Kumar and what I need to do, I will put enter, right?
Yes.
Then email ID, this is my phone number, and address I need to shift in the next line, right?
Yes.
I will come here, I will change the line. Then I will be find here. Then here I will be put this in next line, okay? Then because I have a document and I am seeing everything on in that document, right?
Yes, sir.
Experience now. So I will come in experience, then personal details, then inside personal detail, father, then mother name, then date of birth, then language, then place, right? Then Noida, then date. Okay, so I put it this as per my need. You can see here, right?
Yes.
Now, okay, so I have done this one. Okay, now I need to make formatting. Okay, so how I will do format? I will select this one. I will bold. I will increase the size 12. Then I will be put underline. And this is my perfect heading. Okay.
Yes.
So now, next what I need to do? I need to make these heading also like this. Which one heading? Education, technical skill, right? This one. Then experience, this one. Then personal detail, and then place. Okay.
Yes.
This one I also want like this. So how I can do? Just help me. First, you know the question. This
Yes.
education one I also want to make like this one. So I have two options.
Yes,
One
sir.
is the long and the second one is very short. Let's see the first long one. Okay, big one option. Select this one, right?
Yes.
Yes, please.
Bold,
Yes, bold. Then increase size.
size,
Then
and
give
underline.
underline. That's it, right? So after 4 to 5 click, I able to understand, right? Like
Yes.
this is the use. Okay, now we will do this thing within a single click.
Yes.
Okay, how we will do that? We will do that with the help of Format Painter.
Yes.
Okay, how Format Painter work? Format Painter copy the style of selected text. Format Painter copy the style of selected text. You understand with this sentence?
Yes.
That means if I will select this one and I will click on Format Painter, then Format Painter giving me a brush. You can see the brush in your mouse arrow. And I need to paste that brush anywhere where I want to do the same style. Like that.
Yes.
So you can see now very smoothly how I am able to do this.
Yes.
Within a single click, I am able to make every heading, right?
Yes.
See it again. I am doing undo to go back so that you can easily understand.
Yes.
First, what I did, first I make a single heading, right? I make one heading, first heading, then I will select this one and I will click twice back to back on Format Painter. 2 times I just click on Format Painter.
Yes.
Then I will come here and then I will be paste this thing like that.
Yes.
Then this is my education. This
Yes.
is my technical skill. This is my experience. This is my personal detail. So this is the way of work in Microsoft Word. Now you can think how easy you are doing the formatting, right? And
Yes.
now if you want to remove this Format Painter, then you can click here. So it will remove also. Okay, it will be deselect.
Yes.
Okay, 2 times you need to click. Like if I will make this thing like something different, like if I make this something like that, this one, right? And I will take the color of this one like this. Okay, I want to give the style, and now I want to make on all the style like that. Then what I will be do? I will be select this one. Then I will be click twice on format
Yes.
painter. Then slowly and carefully I will be paste this
Yes.
format painter on that particular content which I want to make or apply the same style. Now you can think how easy and how in a professional way I am applying the style. You can see. Got it?
Yes.
So this is the use of format painter. Okay. What is the use of format painter? Just hold the mouse on that particular option and it will give you the best definition of that option.
Yes.
Like the look of the particular selection, you can apply that look to other content in the document. Okay.
Yes.
Select the content, click on the format painter, then go to that particular content and paste your brush and it will be do that. Got it?
Yes.
Now come here, select this one, give the size, something like that. Then put to the bold, right? And this thing I want to apply everywhere. So I will be select this one. I will be click format painter. Then I will be come here and I will be use this one like that,
Yes.
like that, like that. If we will stuck anywhere, then we will be do undo. Okay, to go back.
Yes.
This one. Then I will click here, it will be removed. Okay. Now manually I will be make some changes. I will enter, then this one, then I will be put enter, then I will put enter. Okay, I will remove this one. This
Yes.
one I also remove. Then I will become here, enter, then enter, then enter. This one I will remove. Then in experience, and here duration I will write like that. Okay, duration I can make unbold. And then in personal detail, how you will be work with personal detail. So in personal detail, you will be do one thing. After click here, okay, and you can press tab button. You know the tab button in keyboard?
The difference.
Tab button.
Yes. Keyboard means difference. Tab button means.
Click here
Yes. Right.
and press the tab button. Now you understand?
Which one, sir? This one.
This
Yes,
one.
that is this.
You got it?
Yes.
Okay. So this is the use of format painter, right?
Yes.
How we can do that. Now one or two more options, select this one, okay, like that, and click on bold. Okay, select
Yes.
this one and click on bold. Select this one and click on not bold, this is bullet. Okay, bullets, these are called bullets. Okay, like that. Like that. I don't want bold bullet here, but I want to shift this one. Okay, so I can shift like that. Okay.
Yes.
Personal details, I also want to shift from right to left to right, so I can do that like that.
Yes.
I can put a space here, and this is perfect for me, right? I
Yes.
can click here, I will come here, I can use the bottom border like that if I want. This is the part of formatting. You can do a lot of work in formatting, as per your need, right?
Yes.
So we can do this thing like here, and now it is okay. So this is the way of work. By using format painter and few of options here, we just use each and everything, right? How you will
Yeah.
make all the heading in capital letter?
Capital letter.
Yes, how you can change. So we have option, we will select, we will come to the change case and we will use uppercase.
Uppercase.
Okay,
Yes, uppercase.
don't forget all such type of options, right?
Yes,
They
sir.
will,
Uppercase and lowercase.
yeah, all uppercase, lowercase, capitalize each word.
Yes.
So all these options, after when you will use all these options, then we can do task quickly and very easily.
Yes.
Okay, then we will save this file, save as, go to the location, okay,
Yes.
make a folder. Anywhere you can make a folder, like in desktop, I can click on the new folder. Then I need to give like Varun, okay, and inside this folder, I will put my file name, right? So everything, whatever I will be create, I will be save inside document there in my folder Varun, I will be save inside that. Okay.
Yes.
If I will be go there, click here, go to the document, find here Varun, enter, you can see your document is here, right? And how I will save this in PDF, file, save as, browse, find the location. Location is already coming. If not, then you can go click on Word document, then find the folder name Varun, then put enter, then save as type. What is the name of this option? Save as type. Click on it and click on which option?
PDF.
PDF. Very good. And click on save. Now your document also save in the PDF.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So, Varun, the main or the important rule to create a document is that everything should be in same way. Okay, means all the headings should be similar. Don't worry, just concentrate here.
Yeah.
All the headings should be same. Okay, all the headings should be in similar way. Like you can see here, your every heading have the same size, same color, same style. Okay, this is called formatting. Okay, you understand or not?
Yes.
Like you can see here, the content of career objective heading is in the same style like the content is any other heading.
Yes.
Right? This heading is also same as this one, like font color, font style, font size,
Yes.
and location, everything is same. Okay, so this is called formatting.
Formatting.
Yes, and in every document, we need to work on formatting. So that document look like interactive. Got it?
Yes.
Now your turn, you will make this formatting like I did.
Yes. Sir, I will open, sir.
Yes, share your screen.
Yes, sir.
Share your screen and let's start work on it.
Entire screen.
Yes.